Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Last video that I made on support and resistance, I finished the video by saying if people want to see how I draw my levels on the charts, they should comment down below on the previous video, and I'll make a new video explaining and mapping out more levels with you so that we can all draw these levels and you see how I draw my levels, and maybe you can have an idea if you're new to this. I'm keeping it extremely simple. I'm not going to talk too much. I just want us to jump right in. Let me show you how I draw levels in the market. So first of all, I come up to the 4-hour time frame, as you can see up here. Then I look for levels in the market. Where this is a trade that I took, by the way. I'll come to that, but first let me draw the levels. So you come onto the market, you come onto the chart here, you look for levels where the market has bounced as support and broken and retested as resistance. Those are the most effective levels. These levels are very, very effective. So these are the levels you want to draw out in the market. You can see the market pull down here with a wick. Then this one took it from there, from this wick, and come out here. This is a level you want to draw in the market, guys. You want to draw that level. So when I took this trade, I was thinking of holding it all the way down here, but there were some weeks that were passing here. As you can see, this week here, this tiny week, this market bounced on that week and went up. This is 4-hour time frame. That's a lot of pricing right there. Okay, let's keep going. You can see that level. I can see this level. The reason why I haven't drawn these ones here is because the price hasn't gotten there. I don't like to mess up my charts. I like them clean. And you might be asking why I have multiple colors on my. Okay, my normal candles are blue and black. The bearish is blue, the bullish is black, and the bullish is blue. This red candle here is an indicator. If you look at it, you see two red, two red, two red. These are session indicators. It is the low fats session bar. This indicator marks out the Asia session because I don't trade that session. I just don't trade that session, and it also helps me to see accurate levels because the Asian lows and the Asia highs are very, very vital. Very, very vital. Like here, let's draw this now. This is the Asia low here. This is where the Asia in the Asia session started. This is the Asia high, Asia low. So let's draw the Asia low here. You see something here, guys. You see that? So when the Asia session started here, this red candle, you see it pushed the market with its wick, entered where it left it, and continued down. You feel me? So these lows, these Asia lows and Asia highs are very, 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 very important. But that's not why we're here. I'm not talking about this indicator now. You can just ignore the indicator, or let me just put it off. Okay, I want us to draw price action. Let us draw support and resistance. You understand? Yes. I don't like coming up here and drawing these extreme zones and all of that stuff. Nah, I don't want all of that. I just like coming and looking for levels that has been tested at least twice. Your level must have been tested at least 2 times. That's the only way that level is going to be valid. You understand? Okay, let's take another example. You see this low here? I don't know if you've seen this low. You see the market pulled back, entered it, pulled back. But I'm not going to draw it because of this one because it's quite choppy. But as the market cleared it up, came back to it, and went up again, making this low a valid level. This right here is a valid level to look at in the market. You feel me? And this is the market retesting it again here and going up. This is the market retesting it again. So this is how you catch trades, because when you come on the 4-hour, you look for these levels. It's not that easy to spot, and it's not that hard as well. You can zoom in because this is 4-hour timing. After joining here, we execute on the 1 hour. So you want to make sure you have all the levels up. You see this resistance here, it has been tested at least twice. You feel me? You want to draw this across. The reason why you're drawing this across is not only to trade there, but it's also to be able to see to know where to exit the market if you're buying. If you were, let's just say you were buying here or here, you know that no, you want to get out before the market gets here. You understand? So these levels also helps in getting in the market, in getting out of the market. But when you see a break and a retest of the level you've drawn, take your trade. Take your trade. Take your trade. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. If you don't see any level, allow it to go to the next pair, guys. There are way too many pairs to look at. You don't have to tie yourself to one pair. Ça ne marche pas comme ça. Et vous voyez, c'est très simple. You just take the levels like this and draw them. Très facile, gars. Okay, look at this. These are highs, lows. Market broke it. Pop, it's valid. It's valid. This is where the level got validated. There's something in this Forex stuff. This support and resistance core validation at level at POIs. Validation of a level is when the level has made a low, broke that low, and retested it with a new high. That's validation. You're not trading here. Me, I'm not trading here. I don't know about you. I don't know about you. This level here validates this one. That's to tell me now that, okay, now this is a level. I'll now draw it out because that's an important level. It's even more important than this one. Important than this one because it has been tested twice, up and down. Up and down. It's very, very important. Then the third time that the market comes there and rejects, you can take your trade, or you can use a limit order. When trading Forex, I always emphasize on these limit orders because these kind of massive candles come and tap here and fall. You don't want to enter the market here. Where will you put your stop loss? Where will you put your target? Either way, you are still taking risk. There's no way you tell me that engulfing candle, you don't have the chance. Like maybe it's just going to go straight to your target, to your take profit without fucking you up. Nah. Even on this, you still get beaten up, bro. So take the risk at once and take it wisely. So here, I might just put my stop order here. If I'm sure about the setup. If I'm not sure, then I'll definitely wait for an engulfing candle. But in my opinion, I always like to take the midpoint because I like the market to enter the zone nicely, not just tap it 1 week and reject. Then I'll keep my take profit above this, just above that week here, because you can see the market PSC here. That's pricing. It's always good to keep it above there, like 2 pips. Then my risk to reward on this strategy using break and retest on this thing, I always like to go for 1:2. Always go for 1:2, guys, nothing less. Even my previous video I said it's 1:2, no cap. I will not take all this risk, do all this analysis, wait for hours to come and pick up 1:1 point or 1:1. Do I see? Nah, 1:2. Take it or leave it. This is a level here. Very, very good. Very, very good. Bam. See that? Look at this break. Are you seeing impulse? Are you seeing the way the market took out this level? This are you seeing this? This is impulsive, guys. Impulsive. When you see this, you know now this level is it. If the market is pulling back, it's it. It's it. What you have to do now is you just put your limit order. Put your limit order right there. I'm teaching you how to trade this stuff the easy way. Put your limit order right there. Right there, or you go on the 1 hour time frame and wait for a rejection, or the 30 minutes if you prefer confirmations. I'm advising you to take confirmations. Don't trade like me. Go on the 30 minutes. Okay, since you're on the 4 hour here, go down to the 30 minutes, wait for a good engulfing candle there and take your entry. 1:2. Don't be greedy and say you have to go for 3 or 4 or these lows. You see, the market never even got here. The last time he came here, he stopped you out first. So you don't want to do that. Trust me. You just want to catch this small move. Just this 1:2 like this. If you're on a funded account, dog, you're talking money. See? Okay, guys, I'll stop the video here. I hope you learned something, about the level formed, level broken, level retested. This is a VIP level. Okay? Because I've been tested up and down. Both sides. Up, down. VIP. VIP. If the market breaks this level here, bam, you're selling here. This is it. VIP. It works all the time. I don't know about you, me. On your smaller time frame, you're probably going to get a confirmation somewhere here, but let's just take a limit orders here for the video's purpose. For this video's sake, let's just do it like that. Keep it just on top of that black candle. 1:2. As easy as damn. As easy as subscribing to this channel, as easy as liking this video and leaving a comment, guys. That's how this is how easy support and resistance is. This is how easy support and resistance is. I don't want to start telling you why there's support, why there's resistance, why the banks move the market, why imbalance, why all of that. No. If you see the title of this video, I'm going to show you how to draw support and resistance as easy as I can. That is it. If you're a beginner, this is all you need. Learn, know that this is support, this is resistance, this is it, this is it. That is what you need to know to make money, guys. You don't need to know the history of Forex to make money. People know the history. They can explain Forex from now to tomorrow and they will not make a dime out of the market. Note 25, Kobo. So you don't need to know the story, the history, how it came about. You want to make money. This is how you do it. A high is formed, a high is broken and retested twice, up and down. That's a VIP level. Put that at the back of your brain. So let's stop this video here. So every day you must have one trade, because if you're looking at 15 pairs, these levels break all the time. You must look at this one. Form, broke, retest, you buy. You go on a 1 hour time frame. That's a good buy right there. Enough. Then this level that you bought from now, it breaks again a few hours later, retest, you sell. What is the problem? Why are people complicating this thing? Do this first. Put moving average. Look for this. Look for retracement. Look for double cross. Your chart should be clean. Professional traders don't use that. Your chart should be clean. Read the price action. Read what the market is telling you, and act from what this market is telling you. You don't tell the market what to do. Look at here. I took a successful trade here with this tiny move. Look at this tiny pricing here. I took a nice 1 to 4 there because I was not really sure about this level here. Okay, let me stop the video here. Tell me what you think. If there's anything that I'm leaving out, you might want me to go more in depth. Then I'll probably make a lesson, because it's not a lesson. This is just me explaining and telling you how I do my stuff. But if you want me to like bring you guys a lesson or teach you or tell you more in depth the way you want me to, then I will. So I'll just stop the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping all my knowledge on this channel. I don't have any course, I don't have any Telegram channel, I don't have anything. Everything that I'm bringing here for free. I'm not paying. If you're making money from the market, you don't need to sell courses to make a living and stuff, bro. I'm going to teach you everything. I'm not hiding anything and saying it's on my personal group. I don't have any group. I'm not even in any group safe. You understand? Once you know it deep down, you don't know you're good. This is why I want to teach you people. It's not on YouTube. You have to learn it. You have to understand. You have to understand what's going on. Subscribe.